Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is an unboxing for Jackstand for a car or truck. So this is 22 ton. It's pretty sturdy, and the box came like this with the rip on this side. So let's try to unbox it to see what it looks like. So it is heavy-duty jack. So what's inside the box is the jack itself. There was also this on top, which is the user's manual. So this is how the jack looks like. So that was also in here. And so the jack consists of this part that is in this. So let's get this part out. So this is the actual part that holds the car or truck. Very, very heavy duty. So that's what this is. So that's what it looks like. It says 22 ton. So that's what this is. I'm going to put this to the side for a second. Very, very heavy. And this is the stand itself. Again, these are very heavy duty. So this is what the stand looks like. I'm going to try to put this on top here. So basically, we take this thing that they gave us, and we insert it into here. So that looks pretty good. And if you need to basically adjust the height, we basically lift this up and insert this like a 1-inch peg. Is a 1-inch metal peg into the area, and it would hold it. So that's basically what this is. It's incredible heavy, and it is worth if you're working on something heavy duty like SUV or truck, is worth using this to hold the car. And this also, the peg is 1-inch peg, so it is very, very heavy duty. So that's basically it. This was the unboxing of these Jackstand. Subscribe for more.